We all had a great time at Tail of the Dragon this weekend. Every time I go on vacation and try to film at the same time, nothing ever ends up getting completed, so it's not like a vlog style, and there's no outro. But this is what I have. I apologize for some of the GoPro hyperlapse footage. I had it zoomed in and it's kind of choppy, and the camera actually kind of moves inside the case apparently. Overall, really good weekend. Good to see my Pittsburgh friends and everybody got home safely. That's all we can ask for. Enjoy. What's up guys, I'm Bailey. You're watching Horsepower and Pizza. I come to you live from the beautiful mountains of western North Carolina, and today's video is brought to you by Barnes Brothers Motorcycles and Off-Road, 589 West Pike Street, Canonsburg, Pennsylvania. They have Polaris, Suzuki, Yamaha, KTM, and Kawasaki. Hit up Blake, Liam, Brad, whoever you need to get your parts, gear, service, anything you need. That's the Forbidden Barnes brother. Antonio, turn around.
The Forbidden Barnes brother.
Shout out Quality Metalworks for trusting me with a key to their shop. I'm using it to shotgun Red Bull.
Atta boy. Let's get your evening started there, bud.
What? What? We out here.
All that the rain touches is for the boys.
Carolina's for the boys.
Carolina's for the boys.
So they canceled our H2O reservation, as you saw last week. We decided we needed to change the scene. Flew out to Tennessee, got this Airbnb in Fontana, North Carolina. That's my car. Isn't that impressive? I actually drove the car. Sam Calesi, Antonio Sortino, my friends Zach and Mark, and you already know Reach Money. So yeah, this is our H2O replacement. Probably from now on. It is currently raining, unfortunately. We already drove the Dragon in both directions. So we drove it up to Tennessee and then back down to North Carolina.
I mean, Tail of Dragon to and back from Walmart, an hour of windy roads.
The rain is not conducive to drone stuff and things, unfortunately. But look at this view.
I mean, for being just a chill Airbnb on the side of a mountain on a dead-end road, it's quiet, which is nice.
North Carolina is indeed the best state on the East Coast. I'll die on that hill. Probably that one right there.
You got a bunch of choices.
Somebody was down here in the parking lot getting after it. Look at that.
They were out there.
We drove out to the Fontana Dam and we're walking across the top of it. This is kind of sick because it's just like giant peaceful lake over here with this little island and stuff. Super quiet and peaceful as a lake is. I belong to the lake. And then you walk over here. This is the dam side. I hate heights, so this is like super sketchy to me. This is an engineering marvel, and when they built this, I would have loved to have seen how they did it because they didn't have all the crazy technologies and stuff that they have today. North Carolina has been very good to us so far because it's a lot more laid back than H2O. I love Ocean City, but H2O has gotten out of hand the last couple years. Really not disappointed about it in the slightest. When we go to Ocean City, it's like run, 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 photo shoot, video shoot, this, that, and now we're just chilling.
I'm not fit for YouTube, I'm sorry.
Do you have any thoughts?
Dude, I never have any thoughts.
This is peak Americana here.
Bob Evans mac and cheese, mashed potatoes too. You can't get more American than this.
No.
Steaks, matins.
On this trip, I did learn that the 435 is a lot bigger of a car than I feel like it is normally when you drive all these tight back roads. You definitely notice that the car's got a bit larger shape and a little bit more body roll and mass to it than you think when you just drive it on the highway. That being said, when I got it inspected last week, they told me that it was emissions exempt in the state of Pennsylvania because I drove it less than 5,000 miles last year. So I took that as a challenge and put 1,707 miles on it in the last 5 days. Felt good to get back in the car and drive it and enjoy it because at the end of the day, that's why I bought the car. That's why it has a "not a garage queen" sticker on the side of it. At least that's what I'm told that it says in German. I don't speak German. But yeah, that's where I'm gonna leave you guys. I have some other hyperlapse videos that I'll link right here that I'm just gonna throw up with some music over them. But I wanna thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe. New merch comes out October 23rd at Horsepower Pizza on Instagram, at Cold Pizza Podcast, www.horsepowerandpizza.com. Peace out. Build it for you.